Hey wine fans, it's Stephen here from the Napa Valley Wine Academy content team with an update on what is new in membership this week. Now, last week we did our first ever live stream directly from headquarters. We had Matt Della MW give an amazing masterclass on the Adelaide Hills and McLaren Vale. If you missed it, you are in with some luck because we recorded it and it's now available here on membership. It's about 2 hours long and really dives deeply into these amazing wines, which I feel are often overshadowed, at least internationally, by regions like the Barossa Valley. So Adelaide Hills, McLaren Vale, really underrated but excellent wines. You can learn all about it here. For our foodies this week, we have 2 new episodes of The Sources in the Glass. Now, these episodes basically bring in someone famous or someone significant from these regions. They bring some wines along, and then they cook some food that is native, I suppose, or typical in the region where they're from. So this week we have Priorat and we have Mount Etna. These are really fun. They're like cooking shows, but they're really wine focused, and you're going to learn some things along the way. And you'll definitely want some food afterwards. Finally, we have a new Wine Masters class on Beaujolais. If you thought Beaujolais was only about Beaujolais Nouveau, you would be mistaken because there's a lot of diversity happening in Beaujolais. So it's a really nicely shot episode. Hopefully it'll bring you some awareness of what's really going on in Beaujolais, and you'll want to go drink some wine afterwards. So that's what's up with membership this week. If you haven't signed up yet, you really should. Check out what it's all about on the membership page, which you can find on the Napa Valley Wine Academy website. Click membership, you can find all the information, and have a great wine week. Cheers.